Speed Metal, May 27th, featuring Off-Road Truck, Drift Car, Pit Bike Racing.
Here he friggin' goes. Oh, he keeps letting off. Holy sh!
Live music. Vendors. Food.
Cheeseburgers.
All right, so we're out at the desert course, 4 miles long, you guys, and it's pretty mild. There's gonna be some whoops and there's gonna be a lot of turns. It's not a fast track, but overall, you should have a lot of fun out here, especially the guys that don't have gnarly trucks. This is gonna be perfect for the 4Runner to run. So if you have something that's similar to the 4Runner, suspension-wise, the desert course is gonna be a lot of fun. The first thing we're gonna do out here is we had Sean connect a couple pieces of the course. So this will be like a nice sweeper. So we're just connecting trails together and make it a more fun experience for you guys. The beauty of having a dozer guy on your side. So Sean just got finished making the necessary changes that we needed to make to the desert course. Little note, you guys, if you're coming out this weekend and you want a GPX file, you want to be able to see the course on your phone or on your tablet while you're driving, make sure you download the Onyx app. Use code Terra Crew for 20% off of your subscription. It's a great app. We love to use it. I am literally mapping the course with the app. All right, guys, so we're at the spot where you guys are going to stage. So you can see behind me, the stadium's here. The infield is right here where Matt's currently building the gnarly track for the gnarly trucks. So right here is where you guys are going to stage. So we're going to have you guys line up 2 by 2 in your stage, going back that way. To my right, this whole open area is going to be where camping and off-road pits are going to be. So if you guys are coming in and you want to pit, this is where you're going to pit and you're going to camp. All right. So we're going to stage you guys here, a group at a time. You guys are going to go across the street where that Joshua tree is right here. That's the start of the course. So we're going to line you guys up right here to the right of this realty sign, and that's where we're going to start you guys.